travels over the water, rests upon your shoulders. I remember deep sapphire skies reflecting in your eyes. Talking about the different things. Like life, like love, lying on the shore. The moon will stand down below, and the stars hanging over on the shore. Lying on the shore. Lying on the shore. I was walking down the street, it was just the other day, and I saw a girl walk by, and I just had to say, hey baby, where you been? Where are you staying? 'Cause I wanna talk to you for just another day. I've got you on my line, looking for that number one. Up and down and by the riverside, waiting for that day to come, where I'll see you standing there, baby, and I just wanna say, now that you're with me, don't go away. Yeah, no, no, no. She walks on by like every other one, and with her empathy, I like to and down and by the riverside, waiting for that day to come, where I'll see you standing there, baby, and I just wanna say, now that you're with me, don't go away. Yeah, no, 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 no. I've gone throughout my life looking for that number one, up and down and by the riverside, waiting for that day to come, but I'll see you standing there, baby, and I just wanna say, yeah, now that you're with me, don't go away. No, 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 don't go away.
Hi guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. The ring you saw me make in this video is actually the wedding ring that I'm going to give to my partner on April 14th, which is our wedding day. I made the billet of San Mai, which is high carbon outer layer with a mild steel core, for her ring about a week after we got engaged. And I made my ring billet, which is the exact opposite. It's a mild steel jacket with a high carbon steel core, the same day. So it's been a very meaningful build for me. It's also been a very difficult build. I was very worried that it was going to shear in the punching, but it came out beautifully, so I'm really happy. I'm not showing the inscription that I engraved on the inside of the ring. That's a surprise for her, and she won't be able to see it until I give it to her on the day. So I thank you so much for all coming along and viewing this, and thank you so much. We're at 131 or 132 subscribers, I believe, which it's just growing every day, and I'm so amazed to have so many people who are enjoying the content. There will be more projects coming up. I'm working on one right now. That'll be coming up hopefully on Saturday, so stay tuned for that one, and I'll see you in the next video.